Hi, welcome to Sruthi Lakshmi's virtual classroom. I'm so happy and excited to tell you that this is my 100th video. Today we're going to see compound interest. Albert Einstein's quote on compound interest saying that compound interest is the most powerful force in the universe and it is the greatest mathematical discovery of all time. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. Now let's learn compound interest so that we can earn. Compound interest is an interest on both the principal and the accumulated interest from the previous periods of the deposit or the loan. Simple interest is an interest on the initial principal of the deposit or loan. Compound interest grows exponentially, whereas simple interest remains the same for the whole duration. Now let's see the compound interest formula. So the compound interest formula is P into 1 plus R the whole power T minus P. P is nothing but the initial principal and R is the rate of interest and T is the time period in years. The amount is nothing but the principal plus the compound interest. So P into 1 plus R the whole power T. The simple interest formula is P into R into T. I have covered simple interest on my previous video. Let's see this problem for easy understanding. Find the compound interest on $2,000 for 3 years at 10% per year compounded annually. Here the principal is $2,000 and the rate of interest is 10%. It can be written as 10 by 100 or 0.1. To find the interest after the first year, this is the formula, which is P into R into T. So here P is $2,000 and R is 0.1, so 2000 into 0.1 and T is 1 because it's the first year. When we multiply this all together, we get 200. The amount is nothing but the principal plus the first year's interest. So here the principal is $2,000 plus the first year's interest is 200, which is $2,200. $2,200 is the new principal for the second year. The new principal is nothing but the principal plus the accumulated interest. So let's see for the second year. So the formula is P into R into T. So the principal is $2,200, which is the total amount of the first year. So into R, which is 0.1, into T, which is 1. So when we multiply this together, we get 220. So the amount is principal plus interest. So the principal is $2,200 plus the interest, which is 220. So 2,200 plus 220 is $2,420, which is the new principal for the third year. Now let's see the interest after the third year. So the formula is P into R into T. So let's substitute the values. P is $2,420 and R is 0.1 and T is 1. When we multiply all these together, we get $242. So the amount is principal plus interest. The principal is $2,420 plus the interest, which is $242. When we add this together, we get $2,662. So the compound interest after 3 years is the total amount minus the principal. So $2,662 minus $2,000, which is $662. So the compound interest after 3 years is $662. Here we did several steps to understand the concept of compound interest in detail. Now we use the compound interest formula to find the answer in few steps. So here the principal is $2,000 and the rate of interest is 10%, and it can be also written as 0.1, and the time is 3 years. So let's see the compound interest formula. So it's P into 1 plus R the whole power T minus P. So P is the principal, which is 2,000 into 1 plus R. So R is 0.1 the whole power 3. Because it's 3 because the duration or the time is 3 years. So it's 1 plus 0.1 the whole power 3 minus P. So it's minus 2,000. So 1 plus 0.1 is 1.1 the whole power 3. 1.1 the whole power 3 can be written as 1.1 into 1.1 into 1.1. So when we multiply 1.1 into 1.1 into 1.1, we get 1.331 minus 2,000. So it's 2,000 into 1.331 minus 2,000. So 2,000 into 1.331 is 2,662 minus 2,000, which is $662. Now let's see the simple interest formula, which is P into R into T. So here P is the principal, which is 2,000, and R is 0.1 and T is 3. So when we multiply this together, we get $600. So the simple interest $600 and the compound interest is $662. Compound interest is $662 after 3 years and the simple interest is $600 after 3 years. When compared to simple interest, we get $62 more in compound interest.
Thanks for watching.